Ever wonder what makes the Donkey Stomper pack a punch? This is Tribute Vol 8 Donkey Stomper The Stampede Sessions, a ready-to-use linear amp guide. At $9.99, it's a low-cost boost for your CB or ham rig. The pack includes a full schematic, parts list, and step-by-step build notes. All the values are chosen for a 4-meter band, but you can adapt them. Start with the power supply. Verify voltages before you connect the transistor stage. Then wire the bias network. Check gain with a dummy load and tune the output network. Use a dummy load and a spectrum analyzer to confirm you're under 30 W output. Adjust the bias pot for low distortion and watch the temperature rise. The Stampede Sessions give you a solid, low noise boost that plays nice with most rigs. Grab the guide at the link below and get building. Grab it at hoodsfinds.com.